Good day everyone, I'm Raquel Quintana and now I'm going to present to you or show how our system works. Now you can see the homepage of our application entitled Application for the Guidelines of Mutual Support. So we can see the logo on the top of the home page, and under it the menu that shows the three components of the application, which is the information, guidelines, and contacts. So when you click information, it provides the necessary information about COVID, how it spreads, and also the symptoms of COVID. So we can see we have a button on the top where you can click to return on the home page, and also the next page of the information. And next is the guidelines. So when you click these guidelines, the first thing that we can see is the prevention about the COVID. And on the next page of the guidelines
Hi everyone.
is the way or on how we cope the virus and how to relieve it. Then on the top of the information is the video that will show of steps and some infos for doing these guidelines. So makita po natin, pag next po natin yung information, makita po natin yung mga other ways kung paano natin makukup yung virus. And also, it contains a button for next page and the back for returning to the home page of the application.
Hi everyone, I'm Steph and I'm one of the dietitians here at BJC Health.
Hi, and welcome to another edition of Your Health with Dr. Christy. My name is Dr. Christy Rice.
So now, as we can see,
obviously there's
the video is properly playing.
Stress right now.
Hi
everyone.
And the last menu is the contacts, wherein you can see the information and the logo of the hospital, and also it contains about the contacts that you can call or if ever the patient wants to admit in the hospital. In this information, you can see the near hospital that are located here in Cabuyao, and under it the telephone numbers kung saan pwede nating tawagan or pwedeng tawagan for scheduling ng hospital or kung gusto magpa-admit ng patient sa hospital. So now, the purpose of this application is to provide a guidelines and give some ways on how to cope the virus, and it helped for us to be aware and do the right things for us not to suffer in a severe cases of COVID. That's all, and thank you.